Today I will show you how to install Azure CLI on Mac OS. All links I will include in the description. As we can see here, Microsoft asked us to put this command in terminal and execute it. I will just copy it and paste, put the password. Give us command not found brew. So we need to install brew in order to install Azure CLI. So we'll use this command, put the password, enter again. Now it's installing HomeBrew. It will take some time, and I paused the video. Now it asked us for the password. It will begin to download and install HomeBrew. Now it is finished. I advise you to be patient. It's downloading, whatever, commands, that's the log. And now HomeBrew is finished installing. We can now install Azure CLI using the commands that Microsoft provides. If you are familiar with Linux commands and Mac, it's checking first if the operating system is updated and current, and if not, it updated before installing any packages or any software. Now it began to install Azure CLI dependency. Now it is finished, and we could use now Azure CLI. Note that I paused and I paused the installation, and that's because it takes time, and that time varies between machines. It depends on processor, RAMs, and so on. Now we could test the installation. Put AZ login. It will open a web page. You will put your email, phone, or Skype, your credential. For me, put the password. And that's it. We finished installing and it is working. And you can, for Windows also, you can use commands cmd to manage Azure subscription. Thank you. For any question, please send to me. For any question regarding installation of Azure CLI or Azure and especially Azure DevOps, please contact me or comment on that video or any other video. Thank you.